Brahmana. Pandita, how do you know he is Pandit? Pandit understand? What is a Pandit? Scholar. When he speaks, then you understand him. Another way you can use is Pandit Brahmana. He speaks very eloquent words and scholar, then he is Pandit. Or Brahman, how do you know he is Brahman? When later he say his sacred thread, then Brahman. So now come in this way, Yuga Avatar. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali, 4 Yugas. Yuga Avatar come. Yeah, how do you know he is Yuga Avatar? So for this regard, Shastra explained this is Srimad Bhagavatam. First you recognize about his complexion. Satyajug Avatar, his complexion would be white complexion, Shukla Varna. Treta Yuga Avatar, his complexion should be red complexion, Rakta. Or Kali Yuga Avatar, his complexion should be yellow complexion. Or Dapar Yuga Avatar, his complexion would be Krishna complexion. So Shukla, Rakta, Pita, Idanim, Krishna Tanga, Yuga Avatar. Every Yuga Avatar, their complexion is this. Actually, all they are called Vishnu Tattva, Avatar. All Yuga Avatar, they are called Vishnu Tattva. They are incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Yuga Avatar. This is the way. But Kali Yuga, now this Kali Yuga, this special Kali Yuga, Krishna has come. But Krishna's complexion is what? Complexion? Black. But he is not showing his blackish complexion. So how do you know he is Krishna? His complexion is what complexion? Kali Yuga complexion? Yellow complexion, golden complexion. Yellow means golden complexion. How do you know? So this also is called Prachanna Avatar. Kali Yuga, this Kali Yuga is called Prachanna Avatar. Prachanna means is what? Hidden complexion. Hidden complexion. And his complexion hidden, hide. He is Krishna, but hide with golden complexion. So for this regard, Jiva Goswami Pada explained, Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. Inside he is Krishna. Or outside, Gaura Varna. Yellow complexion. He is hiding. So for this regard, he is called Prachanna Avatar. You understand? Prachanna means hide. He did not show to him, I am Krishna. Understand? Kapata Vesadhari. He is hiding. He is Krishna, who is hiding with golden complexion. No one can recognize. He is Krishna. So how do, again maybe the question, how do you know he is Yuga Avatar? Pita Varna. Because Shastra is saying, Yuga Avatar, Kali Yuga Avatar will come the end of Kali Yuga. Then end of Kali Yuga he will come. So how do you know he is Yuga Avatar? Then explain in this way. Actually he is Krishna, he comes only for the calling of Advaita Acharya. The calling of Advaita Acharya. Krishna would not come in this Kali Yuga. Vaidnana Samsundar would not come. Because every Yuga Avatar, they are duties. Yuga Dharma, Sthapan and Nam Prem Prachar. This is the duty of Yuga Avatar. Understand? Yuga Avatar, this is duty. Every Yuga Avatar, this is duty. And preach Nam Sankirtan. And distribute the prayer. And or establish Varnashram Dharma. This is the duty of Yuga Avatar. And so now Krishna, he has come. But he is hiding. This is. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Prachanna Avatar, hidden incarnate. He is Krishna, so the Antar Krishna Vahir Gaura. These are the things. Then I told, Krishna already came in the end of Dapur Yuga. So why he would come again in this Kali Yuga? So for the two reasons also explained this way, Krishna so much greed coming. What greed? Siradhaya pranay mahimam kidiso banaiva sabjo jana madhurama kidiso gamadiyo sukhanjo mad manubhuto kidiso vidyulabhat tadbhavat samajana suchi garva sindhu. And Krishna's greed coming. What is the greed of Krishna? What is the prem of Srimati Radhika? Radha prem ashadan. Prem ras nirjas kurit ashadan. Nirjas means essence of prem of Srimati Radhika. So see, prem ras nirjas kurit ashadan. राग मार्ग की भक्ति लोग करिते विचार परम करुण परम रसिक शिखर कृष्ण परम करुण. Krishna is rasic and also simultaneously is very karun. Karun means so much compassion to the others. And he is releasing the prem of Srimati Radhika and simultaneously he is distributing this prem. One person eating and distributing. So in the same way, Krishna, he is tasting the prem of Srimati Radhika and simultaneously he distributing. Take this, oh, this is very nice, sweet. But this guy Gaurabandhu Goswami Maharaj told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raise one hand. Raise one hand. Which hand? Right hand. He is taking prasad. Right hand. And left hand he also taking and distributing. Take this. And so saying prem ras nirjas karite asadan or rag margi bhakti log karite pracharan. And now question is coming, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is distributing this prem. But people, they have no idea what is the rag marga prem. Braj rag marga. So I have to preach how Brajavasis, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, many preachers, Ramanacharya, Madhacharya, Vishnu Swami, Nimbaditya, all acharyas, they also came. They preach only Vaidhi Marga. Some also acharyas came, they preach about little bit Braj Prem Katha, but not so much. And understand these things. Not so much Braj Katha they not distribute. Mostly they preach about Vaikuntha Prem, Vaikuntha Katha and Vidhi Marga. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, no, I have to preach Brajavasi's prem. How Brajavasi, they have continuous love and affection with Krishna. How will you know he is Brajavasi? If anybody come Braju, I am Brajavasi. This is cheating the people. Who is Brajavasi? How will you know he is Brajavasi? Brajavasi means stays ariska raga. Param avishrata bhavet. Tarmat bhavet usa ragatmika kadita. Ragatmika unusvasa raganika uchyate. Brajavasi means this way. Iste Sarasika Rago. He has spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, with their own mood. Like Nanda Jasoda. Their mood is Vatsalya Bhav, parental mood. They are Brajavasi. Yeah? And 24 hours absorbed with Krishna. Brajavasi, two qualifications. Iste Sarasika. According to their own ras, they absorb and fixed with their mood. Nanda Jasoda, their fixed ras is what? Vatsalya ras. Subal Siddham, their fixed ras, Sakha Bhav. Gopis, their fixed ras towards Krishna, that is called conjugal mood, Madhurya Bhav. So it stays. Another qualification, Brajavasis, what is the qualification? Param Avishta. 24 hours they absorb with Krishna. Govinda Dhamu Dharmadhavete. 24 hours. And if you don't know who is Brajavasi, then you will cheat or cheated. You are thinking, oh, he is saying I am Brajavasi. No, he is not a Brajavasi. He is Narakvasi. One person is Narakvasi, and you are thinking he is Brajavasi. Brajavasi, Narakvasi, not same thing. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he told. One his disciple told. Gurudev, you glorified your Radha Kunda is topmost place. Vaikuntha Janito Vara, Marubudi, Tatrapi, Rasutsava, Dindarana, Mudapani, Tatrapi, Govardhana Ravana, Tatrapi, Govardhana Ravana. Radha Kunda Minatmapuvi. This so Radha Kunda is topmost. So why will not go to Radha Kunda and why will not stay Radha Kunda Vas? One disciple asked to Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. Because everybody want best what things? Best things, highest things. So he asked Gurudev, his son Maharaj, Gurudev, can I stay in Radhakunda Vas? Many people are staying Radhakunda, they are saying Radhakunda Vasi. Then Swami Maharaj told, no, they are not Radhakunda Vasi, they are Narakvasi. Narakvasi. Radhakunda Vas, stay in Radhakunda, when this mood will come. First sadhu saddha, tadu sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anurti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem. And at least asakti and bhav dasa, then you will be qualified to stay in Radhakunda. You cannot understand Radhakunda is topmost place. You cannot understand this. You cannot understand who is Brajavasi. Who is Brajavasi? Nanda Jasoda are Brajavasi. Prabhupada told who is Brajavasi? Rup Sanatan Brajavasi. Or one who follows the footsteps of Rup Sanatan, they are called Brajavasi. This is the commentary of Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada. Understand or not? Not listening. Who is Brajavasi? You. Who is Brajavasi? Fala. Are you why not listening? Sleeping? So? Huh? Mayavasi. Durvindo Dasi. Huh? Durvindo Dasi, Durvindo Das, Durvindo Dasi. Durvindo Das. Another different. Good Prema.
What is the meaning of the colors of the avatars? Like what is it represents each like what is the meaning of the colors? Like complexion.
What is your question?
The meaning of the complexion. The different complexions of the avatars?
All incarnation of Krishna, their complexion different. Satyajug avatar His complexion, I told, white complexion, Shukla Varna. Srimad Bhagavatam explained. Shukla Raktas Tatha, Shukla Rakta Pita, Tatha Idaning Krishnatangataha. Gargacharya, he told in this verse, the incarnation of Lord Krishna, Satyajug avatar, his complexion, Shukla Varna. Shukla Varna means white complexion. He is Vishnu, Bhagavat, but his complexion would be white. Shukla. Treta Yug, he is also incarnation of Lord Krishna, Vishnu avatar. His complexion should be a red color, Rakta. Dapur Yug, the incarnation of Lord Krishna, his what is Varna? Shyamu Varna or Krishna Varna. Or Treta Yug, incarnation of Lord Krishna, that his complexion will be Pita Varna. So in this way, different Yuga avatar will come this way. Understand? This is saying this. Which color will come, how is everything has mentioned. And which Yuga avatar will come. And the different Yuga avatar mentioned. And how many Yuga avatar? 24 Yuga avatar mentioned in our Shastra. This thing. Jayadev Goswami Pad, he explained how many Yuga avatar? 10, Dasa avatar stotra. Srimad Bhagavatam explained how many Yuga avatar? 25th, no? 25 Yuga avatar katha he explained this way. Then he explained this way. If you read Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, Yuga avatar katha he said. You read some Shastra, do you understand? Yuga avatar, what is Yuga? Is your Yuga avatar? Srimad Bhagavatam mentioned this Yuga avatar katha. And Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nisingha, in this way all Yuga avatar katha is. This sloka is what is it? Ete Changsha Kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. Then before he mentioned all Yuga avatar katha. Understand? Before these slokas. Ete Changsha Kala, Ete Cha Angsa Kala. Ete Changsha Kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan. Indravadi Lokum. Indravadi Juganti Midyanti Juge Juge. So he is the Yuga avatar katha is. Which Yuga avatar is coming? What is his name? Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nisingha, Jun Yuga avatar coming. That is their duty. Nisinghadev avatar, Varahadev avatar, different Yuga avatar coming. Then many avatar also, Manantar avatar. And if I tell you, your head will start to spinning. Still you are sleeping. Understand? You are not listening properly. Only I am speaking, but you are not listening. Maybe your record is there. And Manantar avatar, Katha is there also. And many things are there. If I tell to you, you cannot digest. You cannot. Then your sleepiness will, because this is very complicated to understand. Like mathematics term. And understand? Sleepiness comes. Still you are sitting, leaning against the wall. Understand? One who is sitting, leaning against the wall means his Nidra Devi is coming. Nidra Devi, understand? Who is Nidra Devi? Durmindo. Durmindo Das. That means that you cannot accept. Your brain cannot accept. Everybody has capacity to accept. Another things, how much eagerness to listen. When you listen of eagerness will come, then I have to listen. Or when you cannot understand, or your brain cannot accept, that time automatically sleepiness will come. Sleepiness coming many ways. Tiredness of your body. If you do hard work, then tiredness comes. Then you have to sleep. Or sometimes laziness coming, lazy. Your body is not tired, but you are making the habits to more or to sleep on your bed. I cannot do this. If I wake up, I cannot sleep, lay down on my bed. I have to wake up. I will chant holy name, do anything. Some people also just as not sleeping. No tiredness, not sleeping, but sleep still also are. And doing this way, this.
Relax.
That is called laziness. 1, 2 hours, 3 hours just. Many people they are doing this now. That is called the laziness. Alasa. Alasa means laziness. His body is not tired. His strong body. But still all this way, this.
Like when Mahaprabhu he's in Militala, his complexion changed, no?
Mahaprabhu, no, that Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna, Radha Chinta Nivesana Jasakanti Vilorpita. Sri Krishna Charan Bandi Radha Lingita Vigraham. Param Guru Maharaj, he wrote this verse. Krishna, he feels separation from Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna, he came in Imlitala. Then Krishna is thinking about Srimati Radhika. So the Radha Chinta Nivesanam. Radha Chinta Nivesanam. Krishna completely absorbed with Srimati Radhika and thinking about Srimati Radhika. Radha Chinta Nivesanam. Jassa Kanti Vilopita. Then thinking about Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna's complexion transferred in golden complexion, Radhika's complexion. How possible? Maybe a question will come. How possible complexion change? Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Jatha, what do you call it? Sanskrit word? Jatha Koddavat. Give an example. One kind of insects staying in the kitchen. Understand? That is called the word. They are sometimes flying. Cockroach. They are eating some food inside the kitchen, had a little bit wet, or oil. Mostly they are the oil and wet. They are staying there. Understand? And they are laid the eggs, their eggs, and staying together. Very dirty. And sometimes little bit fly. And then taken and there'll be a cockroach. Cockroach is big, about 1 inch or 1.5 inch. Cockroach, you understand or not? What is called? Barata. So cockroach, they are staying there. And another one kind of horn bees. Horn bees, understand? Horn bees one kind of insects. They are blue color. Blue color, no, yellow color. They are flying there, and in their back, very strong. They are stinging. The English word that is called horn bees. They are very dangerous. Yellow color, they are very completely yellow. And they sting, then your body will be a poison. So much poison and swell. But they are very small, not bigger. The cockroach, bigger, and healthy also. But that the hornbill, they catch the cockroach and bringing in front of their nest. And puts their head in the nest. Cockroach. And the cockroach afraid and making sound with their
Wings.
wings and afraid. And keeping in there. Then after some time, then hornbill is making sound. Zzz, zzz, and cockroach afraid with the hornbill and remembering to hornbill. Cockroach remembering to hornbill. And your hornbill, maybe kill to me, and remember to hornbill. Then after a few days, then cockroach body transfer in hornbill's body. Look at this thing. Why? Because thinking. Well, how the cockroach transfer in hornbill's body? Body same, cockroach body actually fat. But fruits they are not eating, then skinny coming. Very skin body coming. And the same shape of the hornbill body coming. Because thinking too much. And also bodily complexion, cockroach body little bit also what? Blackish, not completely black, little bit red color. Black and red mixed. Have you seen or not? Here everywhere. Maybe you will come and everybody will be afraid. Actually they are very poisonous. Yeah, of course. They are so much
Very
dirty.
dirty.
Cockroach is very dirty, poison in their body. They are always lays the eggs. And every 5 hours they lays the eggs. Understand? And very dirty also. And bad smell coming from them. Understand it? So, very fat. But 3-4 days they are not eating, their body become very skinny. And they remembering to hornbill, yellow complexion, their body also transfer in yellow complexion. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. In the same way, remembering to Srimati Radhika, then Krishna's body transferred in golden complexion of Srimati Radhika. This is it. So the Radha Chinta Nivesana. Krishna, he feels pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Remembers, more remembrance coming in her meeting or separation. If you love someone, remembers coming which time? Meeting or separation? At the time of separation. In the time of meeting, remembrance less. But if you separate, then more remembrance will come. This is the nature. Which thing is very far from you, you remember to him or think about this. Or which thing is very close, that remembrance less. This is the nature. Understand? This is the nature of love. Premaniyam. Prem Prakriti. What is the nature of love? If you far from your friend, then you remember to him more and more. Every second, every moment remember to him. Our same friend is very close to you. That time remembrance will be very less, maybe not. Eh? Understand? This is the nature. This is the nature of love. This is the nature of love. What is the nature of love? Jatha durastita striya. Krishna himself gave an example to the gopis. Jatha durastita striya. As a chaste lady, when she lives with her husband, maybe she is not remembering her husband. But when her husband far from her, far country, then every second she is remembering her husband. Because this is the nature. When you far distance, then you remember. More remembrance coming. Or when very close, that time maybe you will forget. Krishna gives this evidence and to the gopis. Jatha durastrita striya. This is the nature. So, Viraha Dasa, this separation, creates so much remembrance and creates the very closure. How is closure? In the mind. Do you understand? Because separation creates so much closure in his mind. Or meeting, sometimes you forget. Staying together, but sometimes forget to him or her. The nature of the love. Do you understand? May understand or not, but this is the rule. When far, then remembrance to him. When lover and beloved very far, that time they are remembrance to each other. Or same way when the lover and beloved is staying together, not so much remembrance to each other. These are things. Because gopis, they asked to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, why did you forget to us?" When Krishna met with the gopis, but gopis they met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. Then gopis they asked many questions to Krishna, but one question is also there. They asked to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, you really love to us, so how did you forget?" Then Krishna told, "Hey Radhe, hey gopis, I never forget you. Always I am crying for you." Krishna honestly told. This is true also. Krishna, when he was in Dwarkapuri, that time Krishna always crying for Krishna, Radhe, Lalita, Abhishek. Because Krishna is staying in Dwarkapuri, or gopis they are staying in where? Vrindavan. Gopis they are crying for Krishna, or Krishna is crying for gopis. These two are. Because when they are far, Krishna told this katha also. Gopis they complain, "Why did you forget to us?" If you really love to us, why did you forget? Because love cannot forget. If you love someone, you cannot forget. So gopis they asked to Krishna this katha, "If you really love to us, why did you forget?" Then Krishna told, "How possible I forget to you? How do you know? Well, you did not send any message to us. He did not write any letter, not anything." Then Krishna honestly told her, "Gopis, listen. How possible to write one letter to you? Just when I remember to you, then my hands start to shake. Tears rolling down. But in Dwarkapuri, no one can realize my heart. Just I, to control myself. Jatha kurmavat. Jatha kurmavat means as like the tortoise. If no one inside, then Totas to manifest all his limbs. His legs coming out, his also mouth coming out from body. But if someone is coming, that time Totas, they put all the limbs of body inside. No one. Looking, maybe this is dead. This is the dead, mar gaya. Actually, he is alive. The tortoise is alive. But all is inside. You cannot see his legs and mouth, anything. And nobody there. That time again tortoise. And coming out his legs, mouth and stuff. What is this example? In the same way Krishna told, in Dwarakapuri, no one can understand my heart. How can I express my heart to anyone? Sometimes I cannot control myself. Hey, Gopis, listen. When just I remember to you, then my tears rolling down. But sometimes some people coming here, why you are crying? Crying. Krishna is crying in Dwarakapuri. But no one can understand his heart. To express to whom why he is crying. The prema is this. Krishna always, so Krishna told, hey Gopis, tumha mane pade, when I remember to you, hey, I am crying. Always I am crying for you. And always I am thinking how to meet with you. But in Dwarakapuri, I have some duty and responsibilities. I took vow. What is my vow? I have to kill all the demons, establish Varnashram Dharma, and protect those devotees of here. So some of my duties also in Dwarakapuri. This is true. But I never forget to you. I already crying. So Krishna told, all the honest Krishna told to the Gopis, hey Gopis, don't blame to me. I forget to you. This is impossible. Because your prem is pure. Where is the real prem? That prem will never destroy and never will forget. No parang nirbaddham samjana sasadu kritu vivudu sapi vaja ma durjana griha sankala sangrishya pratijatu sadhu. Krishna says, Krishna is not lip service. Krishna told, honestly, I tell to you, your prem is perfect prem. And these types of prem not in anywhere except Braj. Not in these types of prem, Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. These types of prem not anywhere. What is perfect prem, pure prem? So how possible forget? I never cheat to you. This is true. So Krishna honestly told to the Gopis. Again and again he revived. You are always saying, oh Krishna, how did you forget to ask this? Actually Krishna cannot forget. So when you come, Gopis here also, in Vrindavan, they also crying for Krishna. Dibban Madhasa transcendental madness of Srimati Radhika. Day and night crying for Krishna. When Krishna is crying for Gopis, or Gopis they are crying for Krishna. Both are crying. Or when they are crying, they are actually they are meeting. Viraha, Milan. Or Milan, Viraha. Very difficult to understand this philosophy. In their separation, they are meeting together. Or in the meeting, they are also feeling separation to each other. And that's got Prema Vaicharita. Srimati Radhika still, she is sitting on the lap of Krishna. Just Madhumangal told, the Madhusudan has gone and never returned back. Then Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation of Krishna. Srimati Radhika is thinking, oh Madhusudan Krishna went somewhere, not he is with me. Look. And then Srimati Radhika crying, Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna. Krishna noticed. But still I am with her. But she is feeling separation from me. That is called meeting, separation. Both are meeting together. Radha and Krishna meeting together. But Srimati Radhika, she feeling separation from Krishna. This is called Prema Vaichik. For this regard, our Acharya explained this way. Meeting, separation, separation, meeting. Simultaneously, at a time. If I tell you, cannot understand. Just listen, this is my fortune, not your fortune. Huh? Huh? Your fortune. My fortune, you are listening. Not your fortune. Because you don't understand. Your sleepiness coming, still sitting, so I am speaking. So my fortune. Your fortune, when you understand.
So now no fortune.
Huh?
Now no fortune.
Your fortune, unfortune, this is yours. But I am saying this way. Because very difficult to understand. How the viraha, meeting, viraha. In the same time, meeting and same time feeling separation. How do you understand this? You cannot understand. If I tell to you, your sleepiness will come. More sleepiness will come. Understand? You are thinking, oh, Maharaj, Gurudev is crazy. What is speaking? This is what? Meeting, separation. Srimati Radhika. She is crying for Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Then when crying means is what? Crying means remembering Krishna's all pastimes. Then Srimati Radhika, she is sitting alone and crying and shedding tears. Shedding tears means here, remembering Krishna. In her mind, she is meeting with Krishna. Then she is thinking, oh, Krishna has come. Then she just close her eyes with her hands, this way. She closed her eyes with her hands. But she is thinking Krishna has come. And close my eyes. Because same Leela remembrance. What Leela means? Yeah, Krishna sometimes come and sometimes Krishna coming in back and close. And Krishna is saying, who am I? Tell to me. Srimati Radhika using the same word. Srimati Radhika, she using the same word. She closed her eyes with her own hands. But remembering to Krishna. Krishna Leela Anukaran. But think Krishna has come. Then Srimati Radhika, she forgets. Yeah, Krishna, far from me. Krishna is meeting with me. And then she laughs. Hey, oh, you are Krishna, you close my eyes. Ha 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 ha. Krishna is not there. Krishna is physically not in there. But Srimati Radhika, she is laughing. Then other Sukhi notice what she is doing. That is called another types of anubhav of our prema. Then after a few minutes, oh, where is Krishna? Why he laughed? Oh, maybe this is my dream. Her so much daina, humility is coming. Daina, nirbid, these types of many kinds of anubhav coming. This thinking, maybe Krishna, this is not true. Then thinking. Krishna told this katha here, Radhe, actually, tell to you, that time I was there also. When he told, here Krishna, Eh? You close my eyes. You close your eyes with your hands. Eh? That time, hey Krishna, why you close my eyes? Come in front of me. I want to see to you. Eh? That time, Srimati Radhika, that time Krishna remind to her also this katha, this lila, Srimati Radhika. Eh? And that time I was there. I was in front of you. But you are thinking, this is my dream. Krishna very humble told this katha. Eh? Ami sebi Narayan niti niti jai Vrindavan. According Krishna very humbly told. According to the mercy of Narayan. Eh? Every day I used to go Vrindavan. I am meeting with you. Eh? But you are thinking, this is your dream. This is not dream. This is yours. This is true. I am always with you. I have never separation from you. Eh? Sometimes visible, sometimes invisible. Drishya and adrishya. So I am staying always with you. But you are thinking, oh, this is my dream. Eh? Same katha, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sachi Mata, she cooked many kinds of preparation. Offered to her Ishtadev Narayan Salagram. Then Sachi Mata offering, then Sachi Mata, she was thinking about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaur Sundar. Sachi Mata is thinking, if today Gaur Sundar would come with me, then maybe today I cooked banana flowers, sabji. Eh? I cooked that day. You ate or not?
Yes.
Eh?
And
Night
mine
time.
too.
Eh? If the banana sabji, Nimai always call, Mom, give me the more this. If Nimai is not with me, Sachimata remembering to his Nimai and crying, shedding tears. Yeah? At same time, Nimai he appeared and he ate everything. But Sachimata is thinking, this is my dream. This is not dream. This is true. In the same way, in the separation, how to create the meeting and direct in this way. And Krishna told to the in what is called Kurukshetra. Krishna told all this katha. Hey gopis, why you blame to me? Yeah, I am not remembering to you. You forgive to me. Understand? This is your man only. Man understand? And this is your anger mood. Man. Gopis, they are so much man towards Krishna. But Krishna told, hey Gopis, why you are angry with me? I am always with you. So saying Krishna, Sebi Ami Narayan Niti Niti Jai Vrindavan. By the cause of mercy of Narayan, every day I used to go Vrindavan and meet with you. But you are thinking, this is your dream. This is not dream. Krishna told this all in Kurukshetra to the gopis. So try to understand this. So meeting, separation, meeting, how this thing is living. My Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj Lila Katha this morning, I heard from my good brother, one good brother told. Once on God's sister, she called to Gurudev, Vaman Goswami Maharaj. Gurudev come in my house and take some prasad. Then one date he gave. My Gurudev is always writing in notebook. Which devotee calling to him, which date, where you will go, which time you will go, he writing notebook. Always in notebook he writing. So that God sister, she also told to Gurudev, that day you have to come. Gurudev told, yes, this date I will go your house and take prasad. What time? Midday. I will go. Actual Gurudev gave that date maybe 2 months before. because Gurudev, he goes different place, and especially Gurudev when he travel in Assam or Siliguri, that time Gurudev so many disciples, and 2 months, 3 months Gurudev staying in there, but cannot go to all disciples' house. One day one disciple, every day 3, 4, 5 disciples go and doing program Harikatha Prasad. So Gurudev told, okay, I will go to your house this date, after 2 months, midday. You know, his schedule. Understand? Schedule. Yeah, after 2 months, this date, what is it now? Today is what? 24 January. 24th January. So Gurudev will go which day, which month? January, February, March. March 24th, midday, I will take prasad your house. Look, 2 months ago. That means all other days completely what? Full. 64 to 60 days full. Because many devotees, they take Gurudev. So Gurudev notebooks is there. All his schedule. Okay. 2 months. But that day, Gurudev little bit sick. Gurudev did not forget. Today I have to go his house. But that day he was sick. But that disciple, my God, she is confirmed that today Gurudev will come. What is date? 24th of March. 24th of March, Gurudev will come in my house. So for this regard, she prepare many kinds of preparation. Bengali preparation. Bengali preparation cannot imagine about 50, 60 types of their nature, cooking, and many kinds of fried, and many kinds of preparation. Little. They would be prepare many kinds of preparation. Their spontaneous nature. And whatever Gurudev like, he prepared everything. But that day Gurudev was sick. But my Gurudev nature, if he is a little bit sick, he will not tell to his servant also. Understand? And he would not say his servant. So, but he is little bit sick, then his servant, they would go there. His schedule is there. But Gurudev, that time, his fever going up. Just midday, Gurudev fever going up. His servant cooked for him, but he did not go. Physically, he did not go disciple house. And here, midday, disciple and Gurudev Sevak, servant, he told Gurudev, take prasad. Gurudev told, today my stomach completely full, I cannot take. Gurudev, morning to midday you did not take prasad. You told you are a little bit sick. No, I took prasad. Bole, where? Where did you take prasad? Bole, no, I took prasad. Then Gurudev told. Then when Sevak again and again asked, what do you look? My notebook, 24th of March, today, 24th of March, I took prasad this house. You are here, whole day you are here, how do you take prasad? Never telling loud. He said, okay, you phone to her in her house. Okay, first you phone to what preparation he prepared, tell to me. Gurudev's servant asked to Gurudev, if you took prasad her house, what preparation she prepared, tell to me. Then Gurudev told, she cooked this prasad. I took everything. Then I phoned to her, that today Gurudev came your midday in your house or not? Well, yes, why not? Look, imagine. Bhavanagar Singha. Yes, Gurudev came in my house. He came alone. My Gurudev, his nature, generally, he used to go take prasad at devotee's house alone. He does not take to anyone. because he is very shy. He goes to alone, take prasad and come back. Yes, Gurudev came in my house alone. Because Gurudev told, yes, I will come your house 24th of March. I prepare. And no need to reconfirmation. My Gurudev is saying that things, that no need to reconfirmation. I coming or not, oh Gurudev, you are coming or not. No need, reconfirmation. Yes, Gurudev came midday. And, well, what did you cook? They were, I cook this. Gurudev told this thing, same thing he told. Bolo Vrindavan. And my Gurudev is decision. Very difficult to. Actually, he was complete Nitya Mukta Mahapurusha. And he was staying in his ashram, but he took prasad. This is house. About 10-15 kilometers far from there. This. But yes, Gurudev came in house. Gurudev took prasad. I did everything. Understand? Our Bhamana Goswami Maharaj, many also are miracle in his life. If you listen, you'll be surprised. And all words is very perfect. Very humble. Very difficult to find out these types of Mukta Mahapurusha. So I'm saying, even Narayana Maharaj most of the time glorified about Narayana Goswami Maharaj. We have many God brothers, God sisters, all many Vaishnavas we met with. But Narayana Goswami Maharaj is unique and unparalleled. Very rare person can understand his mood also. Yeah, Narayana Maharaj, he glorified to Bhamana Goswami Maharaj. Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he told, I met with many Vaishnavas and also met with many God brothers, many things. Is it true? But Bhamana Goswami Maharaj is extraordinary, special. Understand? I cannot understand. And he is very grave and very good, Gambhir. His mood is very Gambhir. They are very humble, embodiment of what is called? Humility. Daina Murta Prakash Vikrama. Sometimes he will joke also. Then I remember his many katha. Then one my God sister told Gurudev, when you will come in my house? Gurudev told, okay, I will go to your house. Now Gurudev give the date. Gurudev told, okay, you write, which date? Just any date you can say. Okay, 25th of December, I will go to your house. Just I give the date, I forget the date. But 25th of December, Gurudev did not go in her house. Then she became very angry with Gurudev. Oh Gurudev, you told me you will come 25th of December, come in my house, but you did not come. Why? Gurudev told, I told you I will go your house 25th of December. But which year? I did not say this year. Okay, I told you I will go your house 25th of December. I will go. But which year? You are thinking, oh, maybe current year, maybe 2018. I did not say this way. I will go 25th of December. But which year? I did not mention. I did not say that 25th of December 2018. I did not say to you. I will you asked me, Gurudev, when you will come? Then Gurudev, okay, I will come 25th of December. But which year? 2029, 2020, any? You did not ask me. Gurudev, okay, Gurudev, this year you will come or not? You did not say this word. You asked, Gurudev, come in my house. I told you, yes, I will come in your house. I will go your house, but which year? Eh? This year, next year? You did not ask me. You said, okay, Gurudev. You are thinking, oh, Gurudev will come this year. But this is not true. Krishna is tricky. And his devotee also very tricky. Jai Jana Krishna Bhaja, Sevada Chatur. And who is performing Bhajan Sandhya? He is very clever. Krishna is very clever. Chaturmani clever. And one who performs Bhajan Sandhya, Krishna also is very clever. So my Gurudev Leela is very this way. Okay, I told you, okay, and I will come and 25th of December. But which year? You are thinking 2018. You are thinking 2018. But I am thinking, no, 2019, 2020. 25th of December, this is fixed. But year I did not give to you. My Gurudev was saying this. Okay, now 9 o'clock, chant holy name. Today's program is whose house? What time? 11 o'clock. Her house very far? No.
Daqui até lá dá mais ou menos uns 15 minutos de carro. 10, 15 minutos.
10,
15 minutes by car.
É pertinho.
Very close.
Não é pertinho.
Very
É
close.
perto.
Pardon?
Very close to here. Very
Okay. But should be preparation, everything for Ekadashi. Tell to her, see you doing it. Otherwise, samosa, kachori.
Tem que ligar pra ela. Não, ela tá
She went
fazendo, os
to
devotos
the-
foram
and some
ontem à noite
devotees
pra lá pra refazer a praçada que ela tinha feito, agora fazendo pão de queijo, tudo.
And
Now
9, 10.
she's cooking again.
Ekadashi, she's making Ekadashi.
She already cooked another, but now she cooking again because of Ekadasi.
Should be looked, not history. Be asked. Yes, this is little bit organized. Should we tell, oh, that day you are devotee going this day is Ekadashi. This day, preparation should be. Yeah, this misunderstanding. For this regard, yesterday I told. Then Ekadashi going in where? Which house? Could you remember? Tell to inform to them.
Sim, Ilhabela.
Irabela.
Ilha Bela vai ter casa, assim, sábado, né?
Because generally Ekadashi, everybody know, but Advaita Saptami, sometimes Nityananda people they don't know. And especially Nityananda is told by Advaita Saptami, very few people they know. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Huh?
I supposed to take a very nice breakfast and somebody told no today.
You following all Ekadashi or not? Sometimes Ekadashi eating also. No?
In temple is easy. If
Easy.
in my parents' house sometimes I forget.
Yeah, this is true. If you stay alone, you forget. Because same habit coming. Okay, now 7 o'clock, I have to breakfast. You are looking, not looking today, Ekadashi or Nityananda Trayodasi or other habits coming. This is the nature. Understood. Gaur Premanand.
Gurudev, what time do you want to leave to go to the club?
10:30?
10:30.
Yeah, Advaita Katha. Today whole day Advaita Katha, Advaita Saptami. Advaita, already I told also Advaita Katha to you. How Advaita Acharya, he called to Krishna and descended from Guru Vrindavan to Navadvip Dham. Told or not?
Yes.
Yeah. You are sleeping, no problem. Again I will tell. Again you will sleep. Again tell. Again sleep. Again tell. Because this is my fortune.
Why is your fortune?
Because I'm again speaking to you. So if you listen, again you will not listen. So you forget, again listen.
Then you have fortune.
Or maybe not listen properly. Huh?
If we
Yeah.
listen, we not come back to listen again. You mean?
Maybe you can listen another topic. Maybe you can speak more and more.
Huh?
If you listen and understand, maybe you can speak
I
another.
can speak another
Yeah.
katha, but same katha because you are not listening. Gurudev also, Narayana Krishna Maharaj told, asked to me. One devotee told me, I have speaks very nice katha in here, in Holland, this katha. And then Gurudev told me, do you know why they are saying, I am speaking Hari Katha here, nice? Do you know? I'm like, Gurudev, your katha is always sweet. I said, no. Last year I spoke same katha and I am speaking same katha here. Gurudev told, last year I gave same katha, this year I also giving same katha. But they are thinking, oh Gurudev, very sweet katha. Because why? Because they 1 year they completely forget. They are thinking this is new, but I do same katha I am speaking. They forget. They forget or not? Last year Gurudev told, then after 1 year Gurudev came in. Gurudev told same katha, they forget. So then thinking, oh, this is not new. I spoke same katha, but they forget. Further thinking they knew. You understand not?
Yeah. Last year we were in Paraty this day, remember?
Huh?
Last year at the Saptami we were in Paraty, remember?
Then the Saptami we are staying in last year.
In Paraty.
We are Parachi.
Remember you?
That the 60 devotees are staying to him house. Ah, yeah. There midnight rain coming, heavy rain. Whole night they are sitting. One bathroom.
One bathroom.
Yeah,
60 people.
And then you were giving the Harikatha about Advaita Charavani to serve Mahaprabhu, then big storm came. Then nobody could come, only Mahaprabhu.
Yeah. You understand? 60 devotees. Only upstairs one room, they are staying. There are 2 sisters and their husband and small baby. Downstairs one room, I am staying. And all the devotees are staying on the, what is called?
Living hall,
Living house is not there. The Thakurji is there.
Yeah.
Then only. All devotees are outside. They put also not tent. Just put one
Plastic.
plastic thing as like this. And as like not this also. There is they have the wood, but there is only plastic there. And all devotees are sleeping there. Anyhow, there. Then midnight, big storm came. Then even they are everything over. And also next day also they brought the dog. They sent the dog one their neighbor's house, give to some friends. But their friends were the dog whole night barking. The dog was feeling separation from their house. The next day return back their house.
And then the water finished. Then the water problem,
Water problem, 60 people how possible water is there. And one bathroom, 60 people, how the water will be from? I cooked also.
Kitchen for everyone.
Next day I will do, okay, go quick. Then cook the bread, butter and give. Go to quick to where you Villa. Nice. Cannot forget. They are not staying their house. They left.
They left,
Rio das Ostras.
Huh?
Rio das Ostras is a city in Rio de Janeiro state,
in the coast. Now they moved to another town called Rio das Ostras.
in the beach. But now they're supposed to live to move again.
Where to?
Okay, Krishna arranged. Good, Maharaj. The one sister she came, who is staying with Krishna Priya.
Yeah. She lives in São Paulo, minha filha.
Okay?